My friends always said that I looked like my dog, you know? Like,
kind of a doodle poodle.
yeah, right.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel. Paul is been a client of mine since he's a little child. Today I'm going to do a nice fade with a curly top. You're watching KMS Beyond Hair. For Paul's curly hair, I'm going to use the TAMEFRIZZ shampoo and with it the TAMEFRIZZ conditioner, perfect frizz control.
So actually, how long have I been cutting your hair?
I think it's like since I've been 6 years old or something.
I think I remember you sitting in them high chair things, you know?
Yeah, right.
Where you sit when you don't reach the top of the chair.
Right, like the ones you keep in your car.
Yeah, exactly. Has there actually ever been a haircut I done on you which you thought that was shit?
I don't really think he ever did like a bad haircut. I had like a favorite haircut that I could maybe like talk about.
Which one was that?
It was the like bleached buzz cut that you did.
Oh yeah, that was cool.
Yeah, I wore it like last summer. It fitted so many styles, like especially during summer, because like I'm always like wearing really colorful outfits normally. Also like with my green eyes, you know, like they were really like
popping out. I remember that
and everything.
I remember you coming back from America. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
I remember you coming to the salon with a hat on. And I actually haven't seen you.
Yeah.
And you took the hat off and it just went like poof. I was like, what the hell?
My friends always said that I looked like my dog, you know? Like,
kind of a doodle poodle.
Yeah, right. You have taught me basically like my favorite party trick.
Okay.
Because it's this thing with your tongue. You know, folding it over.
Oh my God. You know what? Until now, I was the only person who could ever do that.
Yeah.
I don't know anyone who can do that.
Right, right. That's that's what you told me back then. And I remember like in front of the mirror back at home.
Well, you were practicing it.
Right. I wasn't able to do it at first.
So funny.
So I like started in front of the mirror and just I wanted to like, I don't know if I wanted to impress you back then or something. I just wanted to be able to do that because I thought it looked so funny.
So you're probably now the last kid I've ever cut? Because all the moms go like, no, we don't want our kids to learn.
No, the hairdresser is crazy or something. You can't send my kids to him.
It's like, I've never, like, I was always the only one who could do it. Look at you, you're playing American football now, no?
Yeah, I play for the home team here in Hanover, right? I mean, football is my passion. Like my dad introduced me to it like 4 years ago. I got to practice and practiced like 4 or 5 times with my team. And then one day I got home to my dad and I told him, Dad, I want to be pro one day. And he looked at me and he was like, okay, yeah, nice dreams and everything. And I was like, no, I'm like serious about this. I really love this sport. I really want to like pursue it more. And just last year, I finally made it like to the national team. And then
you're in there now?
Yeah, and played against Italy and everything.
Congratulations.
Then, yeah, so on practice days, I burn like 4,500 calories.
Oh, I wish I would do that in haircutting.
And that's also what I have to take in. If we ever go to like a restaurant or something, there's like a 95% chance that I'm not ordering a salad or something, I'm ordering a burger. If there is a burger, I'm definitely ordering that.
The best burger was probably, I did a bike trip. I traveled with my friend on the bike and we did that day 120 kilometers cycling. And we arrived at this little tiny tavern that we were the last guests to come in and they were so kind to make us some food. So we said, okay, we're just gonna have it easy, we're just gonna have the house burger. And after so many kilometers, that was the best burger.
Right.
For the styling, I'm going to use the twisting style balm. This is really good if you want a strong definition on curly or coily hair. Plus, it does a really nice deep conditioning. My finish hero is gonna be the molding pomade. It polishes the hair really nicely, adds great shine. It's also rechangeable, so you can touch the curls and rearrange them during the day.
Here we go.
Yeah, looks really good.
So it's not the worst haircut?
No, definitely not.
I hope you enjoyed Paul's haircut and our conversation. If you want to see more videos, go on the KMS YouTube channel.